Hi, Valerie here, and today we're discussing what we can grow in April. In the vegetable garden, it's time for us to be planting out our early cabbages. If your ground's ready and prepared for them, get them in now so you have a nice early crop. Also, it's a time to be planting out our second early potatoes. Main crop potatoes will go in toward the end of the month if conditions are right for it. In the flower garden, it's time to think about hanging baskets. Plan what flowers you're going to grow in them and get them potted up ready if you can, under cover somewhere, so that they're nice and full when it's time to put them out in the summer months. Also, it's a time to plant our summer bulbs. I've got a nice delivery of 60 gladioli here, which I'm really happy about. So I should be planting them out soon. Also, if you've got your dahlia tubers, get them potted up now into some potting compost. And as the shoots grow, you can take cuttings of them and you'll have a load of dahlias for the summer. That's some of the ideas of what I've had to grow in April. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and remember to subscribe, because that's all from me for today. Bye for now.